we go. Okay?
Yeah.
I feel already there's no power on this. Let's go. Do you know where we're going? Just going to turn left onto there onto the cycle lane, okay? There we go. He's just tied to a lamppost, you see? That horse was tied to a lamppost. Yeah. They're like that. Did you check the time we left? Joe, do you know the time we left? No. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Did it? Right, I think we're good till 6:35, okay? I've got no power, you know, my battery's on 0. My battery's on 0. Chip. Yeah.
It has a camera, it has a 360 camera on the back.
Does it?
And they drive the car.
Oh wow.
Anyone with those cameras in the back of their car has got like 600 horsepower.
Yeah, yeah. You still hear it. Yeah. Oh, that's tense. I need to change my seat. I might change. Shall I change? My batteries are not good. Yeah, full one. Hang on. You can keep going if you want. Or do you want dock?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to stay under the half an hour because it gets really expensive if you go over the half hour. But I've got no battery on that one. So if I pick up one with a bit more battery, I don't even know if you can see me in the dark. Let's try this one. That's okay. That's a good one. I might need to have to wait. Sometimes you have to wait for a moment for the key to work again. Let's try it. Don't. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good. Why not?
Declined.
Yeah, it's you need like a minute to cool off. Have you found there's one there that's really full?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. What we might do is go halfway and then turn right, and then go through Covent Garden. Go that way, okay? I don't know where I'm going. Let's try again. Great. Here we go. I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see it, but there's pony mess on the cycle paths because some pony and trap riders were riding on the cycle paths just after Tower Hill. They were all parked up for the pub. They had the horses tied to the lamppost. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to go down here and turn right and see if we can get to Oxford Street that way through somewhere like Covent Garden. I don't know how long my battery will last out. We'll just ride for however long. Okay. Oh, clown bike. Jeez, check my seat. Hang on. Should have done that before I got on. It's a little too high. Get a nice stretch with my legs though. Ah, is it jammed? Okay, let's try that. Okay, are you good? Yeah. Let's go. Before hiring? Oh, okay. So that cost us £1, probably earlier than we needed to, but it's so much better to be on this kind of battery level as we're riding along the Embankment. We're now leaving the City of London. There's a dragon poking its tongue out at Westminster. I think we'll go up here. Not sure about this route, but we'll give it a try. So if I turn right and hit the signal, let's try this. Can you make it to the middle? Mind you don't overhang. Right, mind the back of your bike because it might hit the traffic. What am I doing to front? Oh, damn it. Here we go. Great. This isn't the best route. Sorry. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't even do it. Ah, e-bike. Here we go. So we can go up there and turn left.
There we go.
Up there and turn left at the lights. Go. Thanks. Yeah, pull left because we've got a dickhead in a car here. Oh, that's a minicab driver. What a surprise. I'm son of a black cab driver, so nothing but respect for taxi drivers. Only ones that deserve it. Okay, turn left here. Should we get onto the... Let's walk onto the pavement. Okay, so the camera cut off because the battery ran out, so I don't know how much you saw of that, but I'm just going to do the final leg now, which is the park up in Tottenham Court Road. Here we go. Ready? We've got a car coming backwards. There we go. Onto this nice pedestrianised section. And then we're going to swing onto the two-way Tottenham Court Road. Again, I'm not used to it being two-way, but here we go. Well done. I think the docking station is here somewhere. No, don't do it. So we're going to turn left. No one's going to look. Here we go. Oh, it's just there. Thanks. Wow, nice new docking station here. Oh. There we go. Oh, lovely, lovely. Lots of electric bikes and spaces. Double whammy. So we'll just park up. Can you stand this in for me? there we go. So thank you for coming on this electric bike ride with us. Sorry it was a lot shorter than I thought it would be. The the battery of the camera didn't last as well as the battery on the e-bike, but anyway, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps us to make these videos. Thanks for coming on this nighttime bike ride with us.